Welcome to Tom's Cubes and Games, and I have a new arrival, Kinhank K56. Now I've ordered two of these. One's a 64 gig and one's a 128 gig. Not sure which one this is. So it's 5.5 inch, same as Pal Kitty X55 and Switch Lite. This is a touchscreen, Android 14. Okay, that box arrived in perfect condition, I'm very pleased to say. Something battery. Okay, TF reader, screen protector wipes, USB-C. I've seen this type of cable before. That is a high quality one by the looks of it. Nice. It's got a little bit of dusty or a piece of cotton or something on it. Oh, that's beautiful. I've got to say that's one of the nicest looking handhelds I've got. I usually go for white or pink or purple, but this black one is fantastic. It suits this device. That's definitely the best colour for this device. It also comes in blue and can't remember now, but this was definitely the best colour. Look at that. I love it. And if you're going to have a bright, garish colour, you own it, and that looks fantastic. Like tacky orange on deep black. That is awesome. There's rumble. Now, apparently this is super beginner friendly for Android gaming. Apparently everything's pre-configured really nicely. This is just a quick first impressions look. It's nice and light and comfortable to hold. See, when you're lying in bed and you're holding it upside down, like the Switch Lite, that gets heavy on your wrists, especially if you've got weak wrists like me. But this, I mean, you can hold that up, like you're lying on your back, up over you, and your arms won't get tired holding that. It's like the X55 is good for that. Well, I wasn't watching what was happening. Did it go out with a flat battery? Oh no. I'm going to need my glasses, but for now let's have a magnifying glass out. Okay. I'm not going to connect to Wi-Fi yet, so let's just see how we go. What have we got? Now, there's at least 2 interfaces on this. That's one of them. So yeah, Pegasus, that's one of them. I believe this is very popular in Asia, and I'm just saying what I heard some other YouTuber say, and I can't remember who said it. It might have been Russ at Retro Game Core. It may have been Taki Udon. It may have been this Spanish guy who I can't remember his name. Apologies. Well, this is interesting. Obviously it won't take this long every time. This must be just for initial boot. Right, so no sound there. Wait a minute, I might just... Right, select start, home, back. Volume up, down, power. TF slot, 3.5mm USB-C. Okay, it's just that I didn't press any the correct buttons. So select and start. D-pad feels superb. Right, so hold, was it a select on the left? Yeah, hold, select and double tap start to crit. Okay, shoulder buttons here, I'm going between systems. Let's have a quick look at an N64 game. And I'm not gonna do much after this, so it's just a quick first impressions. Sound quality, magnificent. Okay, nice, nice, that analog's just excellent. What? What's going on? Okay, this, we'll look at something else. Okay, is this a ROM hack or something? How do I quit this? It's not the same as that other system. Oh, here we go, exit. Okay. So but it looks like you may be wishing to add some of your own ROMs here. But either way, whatever's there, it's nicely curated. Everything's got thumbnails. So we'll make this our N64 test. Okay, the buttons aren't configured. I will just... So on the N64, the A button is down here, but they've kept it as the label. But obviously, we'll look at mucking around, configuring buttons and so on. Apparently,
welcome to Dolphin Park.
This is easy to configure, and I didn't even look at the. I think there's instructions in the box, wasn't there? Yeah, there's instructions in the box which I didn't look at.
To start racing, select Start the Race from the pause screen menu.
Okay, that seems to be running nicely. Can you get frames per second up? No. Right, well, that was a quick look, as I said. We'll have a more in-depth look at the K56 from Kinhank another time. Right, thanks for watching. Bye.